Hi, I am Zataina. Let's begin with an introduction to our company, SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn. SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn is a tote bag manufacturing company established on 13 March 2020 and located in Padang Besar, Perlis. The company focuses on producing high-quality, eco-friendly tote bags for both individual and corporate customers. The name SoftCarry reflects the company vision of providing lightweight, durable, and comfortable bags that are practical for everyday use. The company specializes in tote bag manufacturing and operate using two production approach. The first is customers production, where customer can request specific design, logo, color, or message. The second is mass production, which focus on producing standard tote bags in quantity for retail and online sales. Now is product and service. SoftCarry offer a variety of tote bag products, including canvas tote bag, cotton tote bags, non-woven bags, eco-friendly reusable bags, printing, promotional bags, and corporate gift bags. One of the company key strengths is a customization service. Customers can personalize their tote bags according to their needs, making them suitable for corporate event, marketing campaigns, seminar, and personal gift. Okay, next is organizational structure. To ensure smooth operations, SoftCarry has a functional organizational structure. The company is led by a managing director who oversees all business activities and strategic decisions. Under the managing director are four main departments: production, finance, marketing, and quality control. Each department plays an important role in ensuring efficiency production, financial management, customer engagement, and product quality. Okay, next is production process. Let's look at how SoftCarry produces its tote bags. The process begins with selecting quality materials such as canvas, cotton, or non-woven fabric. The materials are then cut according to the required design and dimension. For customer orders, logos or design are printed onto the fabric before sewing takes place. After sewing, every tote bag undergoes a quality inspection to ensure there are no defects before being packed and delivered to customer.
The main product offered by SoftCarry is an eco-friendly canvas tote bag. These tote bags are designed to replace single-use plastic bags while providing a practical and stylish solution for everyday use. They are durable, reusable, lightweight, and easy to carry, making them suitable for shopping, studying, working, and daily activities. SoftCarry targets customers who are looking for practical and environmentally friendly alternative to plastic bags. The target market includes retail consumers, corporate clients, event organizers, small business, and online sellers. These customers often require reusable bags for daily use, promotional purpose, branding activities, and special events. The tote bag industry has grown significantly in recent years due to increasing environmental in Malaysia. Initiatives such as No Plastic Bag Day have encouraged customers to switch from plastic bag to reusable alternative. As a result, demand for eco-friendly tote bag continue to increase, creating growth opportunities for a company like SoftCarry. Based on our analysis, SoftCarry's customers are generally price sensitive but also quality conscious. Customers want affordable product, but they also expect durable materials and attractive design. In addition, environmental awareness is becoming an important factor in purchasing decisions, especially among younger consumers. For corporate client and event organizer, customization is also a key consideration because they want tote bags that reflect their brand identity and promotional objective.
After understanding the company's operations and product, the next step is determining how much it costs to produce a tote bag. To achieve this, SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn applied three different costing methods. The first one is job order costing, activity-based costing, and process costing. Each method serves a different purpose and provides different cost information for managerial decision making. Let's begin with job order costing. This costing method is suitable for customized orders because each customer may request different designs, quantities, and specifications. For our analysis, SoftCarry received an order from University Malaysia Perlis for 750 customized tote bags for the Carnival Second Unimap event. Using job order costing, we recorded all costs specifically related to this order. The direct material cost was 9,750 ringgit, direct labor cost was 3,375 ringgit, and manufacturing overhead was 900 ringgit. As a result, the total production cost for the order was 14,025 ringgit, which gives a cost per unit of 18 ringgit and 70 cents. This method helps the company determine whether a specific order is profitable and allows management to set appropriate selling price for customized products. Next, we apply activity-based costing, also known as ABC. Unlike job order costing, ABC focused on the activities involved in production. The first step was identifying the major production activities, which are cutting, printing, sewing, and quality inspection. The second step was assigning costs to each activity through cost pools. The third step involve identifying suitable cost drivers such as machine hours, labor hours, number of prints, and number of batches. Finally, manufacturing overhead was allocated based on the actual usage of this activity. After applying ABC, the total production cost increased to 15,165 ringgit, resulting in a cost per unit of 20 ringgit and 22 cents. This was the highest cost among the three methods because ABC provides a more accurate allocation of overhead costs. It also helps management identify expensive activities and improve cost control.
I will explain about process costing. With the previous method focused on customized production, costing was applied to the company's standard tote production. This method is suitable when products are produced continuously and in large quantities. Using the weighted average method, the company recorded 8,000 completed units and 2,000 units in remaining ending work in process inventory. After calculation equivalent units, the total equivalent production was 8,900 units. The total production cost for the month was 80,100 ringgit, consisting of beginning work in process costs and costs added during production. By dividing the total cost by equivalent units, the cost per unit was calculated at 9 ringgit. Compared to other methods, process costing produced the lowest unit cost because costs were split across a larger number of units. This demonstrates the efficiency of mass production and economy of scale. Now I will explain about cost calculation and product costing. After applying all three costing methods, we compare the result. Under job order costing, the cost per unit was 18.70 ringgit. Under activity-based costing, the cost per unit increased to 20.22 ringgit due to more accurate overhead allocation. Meanwhile, process costing recorded the lowest cost per unit at 90 ringgit. Because production costs were distributed across a large number of standard units, these differences show that the choice of costing method can significantly affect product costing and business decisions. Therefore, selecting the appropriate costing method is important to ensure accurate pricing, profitability analysis, and cost management.
Now that we calculated the production cost using all three costing methods, the next question is how this information can help management make better business decisions. This will be discussed in Managerial Decision Analysis section. After calculating the cost using three different costing methods, the next step is to understanding how this information help management make better decisions. For SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn, costing information is important because it supports pricing decision, cost control, profit planning, and also production efficiency. First, let's look at the pricing decisions. Our analysis shows that ABC recorded the highest cost per unit at 20 ringgit 22 cents, followed by job order costing at 80 ringgit 70 cents, while process costing recorded 9 ringgit. Since ABC provides the most accurate cost information, it is the best method for setting selling prices. For example, with a 30% profit margin, the selling price should be approximately 26 ringgit 29 cents per bag. This helps ensure profitability while covering all the production costs. Next is cost control. ABC helps management identify the most expensive production activities. Based on our analysis, printing and cutting recorded the highest overhead costs. By focusing on this area, the company can reduce wastage, improve efficiency, and lower the production cost without affecting product quality. Next, costing information is also important for profit planning. Assuming a selling price of 28 ringgit per bag, job order costing generates 9 ringgit 30 cent profit per unit, ABC generates 7 ringgit 78 ringgit, and process costing generates 19 ringgit. Although ABC shows lower profit, it provides a more realistic estimate because all overhead costs are included. Finally, process costing helps evaluate production efficiency. The cost per equivalent unit was only 9 ringgit, showing that mass production can reduce costs through economics of scale. These methods also helps management identify wastage and improve productivity. In conclusion, each costing method provides different benefits. Job order costing is useful for customized orders. ABC supports pricing and cost control, while process costing improves efficiency efficiency in large-scale production. Together, these methods help SoftCarry make better business decisions and improve overall performance.
Next is future business planning. Based on the costing analysis, SoftCarry Manufacturing can strengthen its future business performance through three main strategies. The first one is cost reduction, market expansion, and also operational improvement. For the first one, cost reduction, the company should focus more on the printing and serving activities as these contribute the highest overhead cost. Cost saving can be achieved through the supplier bulk discount, employee training, investment in the efficient equipment, and also stronger quality control to reduce defects and also rework. Second is for the market expansion. The costing result shows that opportunities in both customized and also mass-produced tote bag. For customized products, SoftCarry can target universities, government agency, corporate organization, and also event organizers. While for the mass-produced products, the company can reach more customers through the online platform such as Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and also in its own online platform. Finally, for the operational improvement, the company should continuously monitor key cost drivers, adopt a hybrid costing system, and implement digital accounting and also inventory management system. All of these initiatives can improve efficiency, support better decision making, and help SoftCarry to achieve sustainable growth and also long-term competitiveness. Next is comparison of costing method. After applying all three costing methods, we compare the result to identify the most suitable method for SoftCarry Manufacturing. Job order costing recorded a cost per unit of 18 ringgit and 70 cents. Activity-based costing recorded the 20 ringgit and 22 cents, while process costing recorded the lowest cost per unit, which is 9 ringgit. This difference occurs because each method allocates cost differently. Job order costing focuses on individual customer orders. ABC allocates overhead based on actual activities, while process costing spread costs across a large number of identical units.
Okay, now is advantage and limitation of each costing method. Job order costing is highly suitable for customer stock bed orders because costs can be tracked for each customer. This helps the company prepare accurate quotation and evaluate profitability. However, it requires extensive record keeping and may not always reflect actual resource usage. ABC provides the highest level of costing accuracy because costs are allocated based on activities such as cutting, printing, sewing, and inspection. This helps the company determine the true cost of production and support better pricing decision. However, ABC is more complex to implement and require higher monitoring and record keeping costs. Process costing is simple to apply and improve operational efficiency. It also allows the company to benefit from economies of scale, resulting in lower production costs. However, it is less suitable for customized product and may provide less detailed costing information.
After evaluating all three methods, we conclude that activity-based costing is the most suitable costing method for SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn BHD. Firstly, based on the nature of production, SoftCarry produces both standard and customized tote bags. Since customized orders involve different design and printing requirements, ABC is better able to capture these differences. Secondly, based on accuracy, ABC provides the most realistic product cost because overhead costs are allocated according to actual activity usage. Thirdly, based on practicality, although ABC requires more data collection, the benefits of accurate cost information outweigh the additional effort, especially for effective cost control. Finally, based on decision-making usefulness, ABC support pricing decision, budgeting, profit planning, and operational improvement. It also helps management identify high-cost activities that require attention. Therefore, ABC provides the best balance between accuracy, practicality, and decision-making usefulness, making it the most suitable costing method for SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn BHD.
In conclusion, each costing method serves a different purpose within SoftCarry Manufacturing Sdn Berhad. Job order costing is suitable for customized orders, process costing support mass production, and activity-based costing provides the most accurate costing information. Based on our evaluation, ABC is the most suitable method because it improves pricing decisions, cost control, and overall managerial decision making. Through this analysis, we can see that accurate costing information is essential for improving business performance and achieving long-term success. Thanks for your attention.